Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of your iPhone voicemail automatically picking up your calls when you're unavailable? Turning off the answer phone, that is voicemail, can be helpful if you want more control over your missed calls. Follow this straightforward guide to disable voicemail on your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, open the phone app. Then you access the voicemail setting. Tap on the voicemail tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Call your carrier. Voicemail settings are typically managed by your mobile carriers. To turn off voicemail, you will need to contact your carrier customer service. You can often find the carrier customer service number in the contact app under My Card. Follow carrier instructions. Once connected, follow the instructions provided by your carrier automated service or representative to disable voicemail. This might involve entering your voicemail PIN, navigating through the menu and selecting the options to turn off voicemail. An alternative method is using the call forwarding. If your carrier does not allow you to turn off voicemail directly, you can use voice forwarding to bypass it. Open the setting app on your phone. Then navigate to phone. Locate the call forwarding and click on it. Toggle the call forwarding switch on and enter a phone number where you want your calls to be redirected. You can enter a number that doesn't have an answering machine or another voicemail system. And that's it, guys. Disabling voicemail on your iPhone may require you to get in touch with your carrier, as voicemail services are managed by them. Following these steps should help you turn off the answer phone feature and manage your calls more effectively. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.